I've touched on this topic in my art studio tour, but right now I'm going to give you the specifics of my art desk setup, and I will try to change it up because it's New Year and I want to rearrange some stuff here. So let's now go. I actually wanted to change my desktop background, but I can't still think of something. Here on the left part is I have my two rulers. The one being a metal and one is plastic. They are both 12 inches, and I mostly use this because it's convenient and it's lighter in weight. And I only bought this because if it's gonna break, this is just the backup ruler. Line up for Kaleidoscope TV series because I was going to watch it. I'm not yet sure when I'm going to watch it, but it is this week. So if you want to see it, yeah, there you go. Well, I don't know what's going to happen yet, but let's see. And here are some of my journaling stuff because, I wanted to get serious about journaling. And I watched this video from Catherine Lesky, and I wrote like almost all of her bullet points there. Just wanted to jot it down so that if I need an inspiration for journaling, I have it. Then this is a tweezer. Then here is a new addition to my cute stuff. This is Blair. As you can see, it's so cute. Wait. See? You know why she is called Blair? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Because she's a blue bear. And I just put it there so that if I go out, I just grab it and off to go. This one is for my Shopee. I've been waiting for these two. They didn't deliver this one yet. These are the money that I need to pay for the Shopee deliveries. The one who is holding this stuff is the cat one and the pig one. It's actually noisy. See, it's noisy. So yeah, they're just there for paperweights. Then here is a bunch of documents. I think this is a folder and some used papers. And these are some practices that I did before, and just random papers. But these are my documents for college, so I just didn't dispose of it, and I don't want to put it there on the cabinet because
oh shoot,
cockroaches are surely going to make a home of it. My vaccination card, and this one is the yuck. I think this is also a document. And let's proceed to this part of the wall that you don't get to see when I'm working on projects. Okay, so this is like my mini motivation bullet points for the year 2022. Want to like motivate myself there, so I added adventure. I think I did that pretty well considering that, oh, there's a spider there. So adventure, why are there many bugs here? I don't want to touch them, but yeah, let's remove this one. Adventure, I think I've got to go to the university. Friendly, I'm not really sure if I did that. Well, I did meet up some of my UST friends, but just for a meeting. So I think I did like half of it. Then teach. I don't know what's that supposed to mean, but like maybe just I'm trying to teach also here in my YouTube channel, and I did half of it. Inspire. Well, I'm not sure if I've inspired someone, but yeah, don't overthink. I always overthink, but when I journal, I actually sort it out, and some of the paint is wearing off. Love and passion. I think I did that pretty well. More than numbers. I still agree with that sentiment. And the smiley face, I'm also going to remove this. I hope that it won't stick on the wood.
It still stick the mouth.
We're done with this part. I'm going to add new bullet points for each of that I'm going to focus on this new year. And then here is the painting that I'm going to upload on my next YouTube video. And then there's this spider that I'm going to get rid of. Yeah, I don't want to kill it. This is the part of my motivation for myself. I don't actually open it a lot, but yeah, let's read some of this. I think they're really lovely, but I have to not put it on a scratch paper and maybe recreate this.
Yeah, I didn't recreate this at all.
Oh no, they ate my freaking watercolor there. So I have to put this somewhere where it won't be eaten. This was from a video on YouTube. I'm going to put the title here somewhere on the screen, and it's a good watch. I think it applies to anyone who's an artist or like just anyone in the work industry. And this one is yeah, I also have to recreate this. Oh no, yuck. Ew. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to turn off this. Yeah, shut this down. I actually forgot that. Oh no. Oh no. These are the pens that I want to throw, but I just don't have the courage to do so yet. So I'm just stocking them until they're like until here, and then I'm going to throw them all in one go. So it's less painful. For these three, I'm just going to put this in a digital, probably a note on my desktop so that I won't forget this, because I don't often. This one, I think I've only read this maybe 2 times. The first time is when I first did it, and then the second time just randomly. So now I'm going to think about what I should do for this year. BD stands for built different, but it's not holding up. So I guess let's just throw that.